So the do's and don'ts on a silk top hat. It must be fitted correctly. It must be straight on your head. It must not go back on your head, like so, and ditto, not go too forwards on your head. We always say don't wear a silk top hat with sunglasses. The etiquette we say is wear a hat like so, and never leave a silk top hat like that on its crown. That is irreplaceable. If that's damaged, I can blacken it, but I can't replace it because the silk hasn't been made, as we said, for over 90 years. To look after your silk top hat, this is a silk plush, and go with the silk plush to polish it. Look how quickly this comes up into a real shiny beauty. Repairing a top hat, if you were to sit on this hat and formed a crack around here, we can repair that. It's called reblocking. We can repair the binding, the merino, the outside slip, the silk slip, and the inside banding. What we can't replace is any of the silk, because that isn't made anymore. Good luck this year at Royal Ascot, and we hope to see you soon.